This is the CABLETIME adjustable laptop stand. It's a laptop stand with a detachable 6-in-1 USB-C hub. Before we get started, I want to thank CABLETIME for sending this out to me to check out. Not gonna lie, I didn't think I could be excited about a laptop stand, but after using it for a few weeks, this is probably my favorite thing that's on my desk. My dog doesn't go on my desk, otherwise this would be a close race. Alright, so what makes this laptop stand out? First off, this is a laptop docking station and stand. It's made of premium aluminum alloy and has non-slip silicone pads on the bottom. It also has pads to keep your laptop from slipping and scratching. It has 360-degree rotation, so you can set this anywhere and get that perfect viewing angle. It can support up to 19 pounds, so it can easily hold my 14-inch MacBook Pro with no issues. I do have my old 15-inch Surface Book here that's very back-heavy, and it can hold that with no problems too. It's designed to be raised high enough to keep your laptop at eye level. There's open vents here to allow heat dissipation to keep your laptop cool and running smooth. There's a detachable 6-in-1 USB-C hub that includes a 4K HDMI port for displays, 100-watt power delivery for rapid charging, 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port with 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds, and an Ethernet port. You can rotate it around too in case you'd rather have the ports facing you. As a content creator, I always have stuff plugged up to my laptop. My normal setup here is to have the laptop plugged into the host. I don't use the power delivery port because I plug my monitor directly to my MacBook with a USB-C cable. It could just be my monitor, but I couldn't get it to display when I plugged it into the hub, so I still need to plug it directly into my laptop. I could just use an HDMI cable instead and then use the power delivery port, but I don't want to. I did test it out though and had no issues with it. It's nice that the hub doesn't require any drivers to work. In the USB-C 3.0 port, I plug a memory card reader that I wire to the front of my desk so I can easily load my SD cards for my cameras. Then I use one USB-A for a hard drive, and I wire a stream controller to the second USB-A. I wish they were all just USB-C ports on here, but it's not a big issue for me since I still have a bunch of USB-A cables around. I only use Wi-Fi whenever I'm home or even when I'm out, but if you need a more reliable internet connection, there's a 1000 megabit per second RJ45 Ethernet port. In case anyone was wondering, I do still use the available USB-C port on my laptop to connect my hard drive that I edit off of. And of course I have to plug my headphones to it. I actually have this wired like my memory card reader where I just extend it to the front of my desk so it's easier to get to. It folds up to easily toss into a bag when you're on the move, or you can make it even simpler by just taking the hub with you and leaving the stand on your desk. This is my old laptop stand. It worked great. It did what I needed it to do. But now with the CABLETIME stand, I can keep my desk more organized and less cluttered from cables. So yeah, if you're interested in picking up this laptop stand, I have a discount code here to save you 30% off your purchase. I'll have everything you need in the description. Alright, I guess now the stand is the second favorite thing on my desk. See ya.